Hello students, today we are going to see divisibility rules for the numbers from 2 to 20. Division, it is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. The other three operations are addition, subtraction and multiplication. And division is the highest priority. A number is said to be divisible by another number when the quotient is a whole number and the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then the number is divisible by another number. For example, if we have to divide some 28 apples to 4 kids, then we can divide among those 4 kids the 28 apples. That is nothing but 7 apples to each of them. So remainder will come as 0. There is no apples left over. If, for example, if there are only 27 apples and if we have to divide them to 4 kids, then we will have 3 remaining. Nothing but remainder is 3. So the 27 is not divisible by 4. Next, we will look into the divisibility rule. It is an easy way to identify whether the given number is divided by a fixed number, that is by another number, without actually performing the division process. That is, some conditions, we can easily identify whether a number is divisible by another number or not. And it is very useful if we want to check for the bigger numbers. First, let us see the divisibility rule by 2. Rule is last digit should be an even number. That is, last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, if you see these two numbers 25,678 and 52,43,176, these two numbers are divisible by 2 as the last two digits 8 and 6 are even numbers. But if you consider the example 205975 and 754281, the last digit 5 and 1 are not even numbers, so those two numbers are not divisible by 2. Let us check for the number 3. The rule is the sum of all the digits in that number should be divisible by 3. So we can easily identify whether a big number is divisible by 3 by just adding all the digits. For example, let us consider this big number. For this big number, if we add 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6, it sums up to 27. 27 is divisible by 3. Thus 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Remainder is 0. So we can easily identify this 52,43,166 is also divisible by 3. Let us consider another big number 75,42,815. If we sum up all the digits, it comes to 32, which is not divisible by 3. So this implies that this big number 75,004,281,815 is also not divisible by 3. Let us see for the number 4. Here we have to consider the last two digits. It should be either zeros or it should be divisible by 4. Let us consider this number 52,43,176. Here the last two digits 76 is divisible by 4. So which implies that 52,43,176 is also divisible by 4. Let us consider another example 20,59,754. Here the last two digits is nothing but 54, which is not divisible by 4. So this number, big number, is also not divisible by 4. Let us consider the number 5. Divisibility rule for 5. Here the last digit should be either 0 or 5. If it is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Let us consider this example 52,43,175. Here as the last digit is 5, this big number is also divisible by 5. Let us consider another example 20,59,781. Here the last digit is not 0, neither 0 nor 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Let us see the number 6. 6 is nothing but we have two factors, nothing but 2 and 3. So the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then it is divisible by 6. So we have to check for the divisibility rule by 2 and also divisibility rule by 3. We have to consider both the rules for this divisibility by 6. Let us consider an example 3186. Last digit is an even number, so that number is divisible by 2. For divisibility rule by 3, we have to add up all the digits. So which is nothing but 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 3186 is divisible by 3. As this number is divisible by 2 and also 3, this number is divisible by 6. That is 3186 is also divisible by 6. Let us consider another example. 4281. This is not divisible by 2 as the last digit is not an even number. It is 1, it is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. But it is divisible by 3. As 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 15, which is divisible by 3. As it is not divisible by 2, this 4281 is not divisible by 6. Actually, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. If it is not divisible by any one of those things, 2 or 3, then it is not divisible by 6. 4361 is not divisible by both 2 and 3 as 1 is an odd number, and when we add 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, it is nothing but 14, which is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So this 4361 is not divisible by 6. Let us consider the number 7, divisibility rule by 7. Here we have to consider the number, that is we have to remove the last digit alone, ignore the last digit and identify the number which is formed by the remaining digits. And the last digit we have to multiply by 2. We have to find the difference between these two numbers, and the difference should be divisible by 7 or it should be 0. Let us consider an example, 678. Here we have to ignore the ones digit, that is 8. So we'll get the remaining digit as 67. 67 minus 8 into 2, last digit into 2. So 8 2s are 16. 67 minus 16 is nothing but 51. 51 is not divisible by 7. So 678 is also not divisible by 7. Let us consider another example, 1015. Here we have to ignore the last digit. So we'll get 101 minus last digit into 2. That is nothing but 5 into 2, 10. So 101 minus 10 is equal to 91, which is divisible by 7. That is 13 into 7 equal to 91. So as the 91 is divisible by 7, 1015 is also divisible by 7. Let us consider a bigger number. For example, 56,789. Ignore the last digit. We will get 5,678. Minus the last digit into 2. That is 9 into 2 is nothing but 18. When we find the difference, we will get 5,660. This is also a very big number. So let us reduce it further. 5,660 is nothing but last digit we have to ignore. 566 minus 0 into 2 is nothing but 0. So we will get 566. Again, it is a very big number. Let us again reduce it. 566, we have to ignore the last digit, nothing but 56, minus last digit into 2, 6 into 2, 12. 56 minus 12 is nothing but 44. 44 is not divisible by 7. So 56,789 is also not divisible by 7. So when we have a bigger number, using the rule, we can easily identify whether the number is divisible by any number or not. Let us go to the next number, 8. Here we have to consider the last 3 digits. It should be zeros or it should be divisible by 8. Let us consider this example, 52,43,176. Here the last 3 digits is nothing but 176, which is divisible by 8. That is 22 into 8 is equal to 176. Remainder is 0. So we have finalized as 52,43,176 is also divisible by 8. Let us consider another example, 20,59,758. 758 is not divisible by 8. So this big number is also not divisible by 8.